welcome to another crossed video. 1, 2, now we make second. First pattern is available in our previous video and now we are making second pattern. Here it is. A piece of yarn. We have DK yarn and we are using hook size 300. Make a knot. And insert. Remember, first stitch always from both loop, chain 1, and now single crochet from back loop only. One, and again single crochet from back loop only. 2, 3, single crochet from back loop only. Repeat same pattern at the end of the row. Second color, make a knot and insert from both loop. Now we make chain 1 and single crochet from back loop only, same as previous row. Single crochet from back loop only. Look at this. Repeat same pattern at the end of the row. We take first color, make a knot and insert from both loop, chain 1, 2, we make double crochet from first row. Look at this, chain 1 again and skip 1 and make double crochet at the second stitch from front loop only. Chain 1, double crochet from the second loop, second front loop. Look at this, chain 1, skip 1 again second double crochet, chain 1, repeat same pattern at the end of the row. Row 1 and row 3rd same color. Look at this, first and third row same color and second row no touch. Now we make fourth row same color, same as second color. Second row light blue, make a knot and insert from front side. Look at this, chain 1 and single crochet from back loop, chain 1, skip, and we make double crochet from second row. Look at this, same color, same stitch, chain 1 and skip 1, again light color between this, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, repeat same pattern at the end of the row. Color, make a knot and insert chain 1, single crochet from back loop, single crochet, chain 1 and again single crochet, we make stitches on same color row, same color of row, chain 1, skip 1 and make single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet, repeat same pattern at the end of the row. Just remember, dark color on dark color and light color on light color. done now. You can see. Stay tuned for third pattern.